Hi wig lover, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com and you're in for a real treat. I'm going to be unboxing this Eva by the Estetica Luxuria collection. So it's a Remy human hair wig. It's made of 100% Chinese hair and the color is R4. I ordered R4 because I wanted to show you how much the R4, so the human hair 4, looks like a 6. It doesn't really look like a synthetic 4. The color is a little bit lighter, so let's get down to it, shall we? I have not opened this box. This is the first time, so this is how Eva comes out of the box. You can see she's got those curls kind of in the box. You can already see, by the way, what I was saying, how it's almost like an 8 almost, you know, but it's kind of like between a 6 and an 8, even though it says it's a 4. I'm gonna take it out of its packaging now. Okay, so there are the curls. And I'm gonna take the tag off here. Struggling to get this thing out of here. There we go. That's really pretty, isn't it? It's kind of like Kate Middleton's hair color. Well, I'm gonna show you the inside of the cap. We've got a contoured lace front. We've also got a monofilament top. The whole wig is hand tied. So even the back here is hand tied. Estetica wigs are all very stretchy. It's like they're made for the members of the big-headed tribe. So if you're an average cap size or average large or even a little bit bigger like me, then this is gonna fit beautifully. If you have a smaller head than average, this is not the brand for you. So we have really nice closed felt here on the ear tabs, an extended nape, also covered in cloth. Adjusts a bit like a bra strap back here. They do that intentionally in lieu of the Velcro because it lasts longer and it doesn't wreck the nape like if you had the Velcro adjusters in the felt and you had to keep adjusting. Because these human hair wigs are made to wear for a very, very long time, unlike the synthetic wigs really. So there we have a little bit of elastic that is encased in mesh to protect it. And I want to show you all the beautiful layering on this. Now if you want this curl pattern after you're done washing it, you may want to heat set it with a curl. I'm going to go ahead and put Eva on now. Oh, that cap is comfy. I love how big their caps are because they really do feel effortless to put on if you have a big head. It's just really nice. Oh man, look at this. This is the first time I've put this wig on. It has not been washed or styled, and usually in every video with human hair I give a little spiel about how, oh well, you have to, you know, wash and style it before you can wear it. It's like a blank slate, but I mean, look how pretty this one is right out of the box. Like, talk about a home run. The hair feels really nice too. Like, it feels really good. I want to keep playing with it. I had that problem with the Emma line that I sampled too. I was like, oh, and I just kept petting it because it felt nice. Look how pretty and shiny it is. And the thing is, it's not shiny from being fakey. It's shiny because the hair didn't get ruined during the color processing. So it just feels and looks like healthy human hair. Because it is healthy human hair. They've done a beautiful job with this. I'm gonna brush this out a little bit just to show you how it looks when you wear it. I'm not really gonna style it or anything though. I would rather let the hair do the talking, but I feel like the least I can do is sort of relax this a little bit to show you how it will wear. I love the fact that with human hair wigs you can put them in rollers overnight, you know, wash them and then let them dry in the rollers, and you don't have to actually wear the rollers. You can just put the wig on a canvas blockhead or something like that and just kind of let it go until it's dry. Just remember, don't use foam rollers, use the kind that don't have the foam so that way the wig actually dries and stuff. But oh, look at that. Like I have a mirror behind the camera and I'm like, oh Heather, you're so glamorous. It's so nice. So the hair density is a little bit on the luxe side. I mean, obviously you can probably tell, but I don't think it's unnatural looking. I think that this just, oh, I'm gonna have a hard time not keeping this one. Oh crap. And in fact, I almost feel like wearing this dark shirt isn't doing it justice. I'm gonna go do a quick costume change so that way we can really see this hair. All right, I just changed it to a lighter color so you can really see the hair a little bit better. So let me go ahead and get that going for you. Because I want to do this one justice because it's so insanely pretty. Like, don't you think this is just divine? It's so pretty. Oh, I can't even handle it. Let me do a 360 so I can stop gawking at myself long enough to kind of decompress. But let me show you how this looks on all sides. Okay, so just so you know, like I said before, the cap fit on here is really generous. So if you struggle trying to find wigs that will fit you properly, the Estetica line is great for members of the big-headed tribe like me. Likewise, if you're trans and you have difficulty finding wigs that will accommodate a slightly larger head size, this wig. I love this one. Like, I can't even front. I have no poker face. Like, I liked the other ones. I really liked Emmeline. I thought it was really sharp, but man, this Eva is intense. It is so pretty. Let me show you the lace front here. This is actually my only nitpicky thing about this wig, is that the lace front probably needs to be trimmed a little bit closer up to the hairline. But man, it's okay because that lace still sort of melts into my forehead anyway. So that's just really nitpicky, isn't it? But I mean, when you're talking about, you know, $1,000 plus wigs, you need to be that nitpicky, and I need to do that for you so that way when you get it, you know exactly what you're getting. The monofilament features on here are very well done too. Like, they did a beautiful job. Let me kind of show you. The knotting is really nice. This color, it's definitely not a dark brown. This is more like a Kate Middleton chestnut color. You could probably pick that up on the camera. It's not auburn, but it's definitely a nice sort of medium chocolate brown. It's just beautiful. If you want something that's a little bit darker, go with the 2 is more like a 4, or even a 1B, which is a nice soft black color. I picked the heart sweater on purpose. I love this one. So I'm gonna stop gushing about it. I think I've done this one some justice now, but it's just really beautiful, and it'll look even better after you wash and heat style it. So imagine that. This is just the raw canvas. Once you actually do something with it, this is a beautiful piece. So this has been the Eva. Beautiful Eva, sleek profile Eva, va-va-voom Eva. I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com, bringing you all kinds of wig reviews, color spotlights, and videos of me drooling over luscious human hair wigs, apparently. So if you like that sort of thing, maybe the 2 other categories more than the latter, but who knows? I mean, I know I have fun with these human hair videos. So be sure to check out our YouTube channel, subscribe, hit the bell so you get the notifications, and also be sure to check out our wig store if you get a chance. We sell wigs like Eva here. We don't just drool over them, but you know, a lot of times those things go hand in hand. So until next time, have a great night, everybody. Bye-bye.